Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about 5 amazing AutoCAD command that you think never existed. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Excel Data Link. By entering Table command, AutoCAD will bring you to this dialog box. You can start from empty table, but the good thing is you can link your existing data from Excel by clicking the From a Data link. Upon clicking, another options are activated. You can click this icon, and another dialog box will come out. Click Create a new Excel data link, then enter a name you like, then press OK. Wait for a few seconds because it takes some time depending on your computer. After that, click on Browse a file, then click the file you want to link. Select the sheet which contains your data. And the following steps are so easy to follow. Number 4. Align. Suppose that I have block like this and I want to align the side into this side. I can use rotate command, but that is not the easiest way. Actually, you can use align command by typing AL in your command line. Let's try. Type AL, then select the object you want to align. First, select the first point you want to pick. Next, click another point, but bear in mind that this point is the destination point where the first point will go after completing the process. Finally, click the next point, then click the point along the alignment that you want, considering the second point. After that, AutoCAD will ask you if you want to scale the object. You can just type N, which means no, then press OK.
Number 3. Fillet. Fillet? Yes. Fillet. New AutoCAD users may think this command is very basic, but there's a trick hidden in this command. Aside from generating fillet in the corner of an object, fillet command is also useful in connecting this to lines without extending and trimming like this. Using fillet by typing F in your command line and assigning the radius into 0, you can connect this to line perfectly. Number 2. Break line. This command is commonly used in drawing plan view of stairs. It appears like this. Instead of drawing polyline with multiple click, you can just type break line to make this object. Let's try. Type break line, click the first point, then second point. Then it's done. Unfortunately, this command is not available in AutoCAD 2011 and lower version. Number 1. Oops command. You may think that this command is a funny command. Just like you're doing something and you've done it incorrectly. Suddenly you realized that it's so wrong. Maybe you'd say, oops. In AutoCAD, it is commonly used when you have deleted object, then you continue creating new object. Afterwards, you realized that the object is very important and shouldn't be deleted. By pressing Ctrl Z, you will also lose those object you have created previously. By means of oops command, you can undo the delete command without losing the previously created objects. Let's try.